Now, today I'm going to put the SIGMATEST into operation. I start by unpacking it and go through to the first measurement. This is the case in which the SIGMATEST is stored. The case contains the SIGMATEST, the 40mm probe with the matching holder, the conductivity standard, and the cable for the probe, the operator manual, and the calibration certificates for the probe and the SIGMATEST. And here you find the plug-in power supply unit. I have also prepared 4 rechargeable batteries and the rechargeable battery pack. The device is suitable for operations at ambient temperatures to 0 to plus 40 degrees Celsius. Keep the measuring station free of ferromagnetic materials, for example tools, that may influence the measurement. These are the connections. On the top side of the device you find the probe connection, the Ethernet connection, and the connection for external temperature sensor. On the bottom side you find the mini USB connection, the USB connection for exporting and importing measurement data and measuring settings, the SD card slot, and the connection for external power supply unit. The device can be operated either in mains mode with plug-in power supply unit, in rechargeable battery mode with an external rechargeable battery pack, or in battery mode with batteries or rechargeable batteries inserted. The device automatically switches to battery mode as soon as the device is disconnected from the mains or the external rechargeable battery pack is completely discharged. The device features a low-bat display. A built-in buffer storage ensures that the device is not immediately switched off in the event a loss of supply voltage. Ongoing data recording is completed, and only then is the device shut down. The measurement data is retained. Now I show you how to connect the components to the SIGMATEST. Regardless of the mode in which the SIGMATEST is used, the probe cable is connected first. Plug in the end of the probe cable with the ferrite belts, which is a little white box enclosing the probe cable, into the designated socket on the top side of the measuring device. The red dot on the connector must face upwards for the connector groove to engage in the socket. Connect the plug-in power supply or the external rechargeable battery pack. Insert additional batteries or rechargeable batteries into the battery compartment of the device if necessary. Ensure that the polarity of the batteries is correct. Put in the holder into the cable before you plug in the probe. Switching on and off is done via the on-off button. I press and hold the on-off button for approximately 1 second, then I release the button. To obtain precise measurement, the device must warm up for approximately 30 minutes before the first measurement. Now I measure the first conductivity on the copper standard. If the measured value is not sufficiently accurate, the device must be adjusted to achieve the required accuracy. For the adjustment of the SIGMATEST, conductivity standards made of different materials are used. They are available as single, double, or triple standards. The standards are delivered with a certificate and are traceable to NPL standards. The respective conductivity is indicated on the plastic cover on the standard. To perform a new adjustment, the conductivities of the available calibration standards must first be entered into the system. I enter the calibration standard under the following path: Main menu, Adjustment, Settings, Standard value, plus, Add standard. First I enter the copper. I name it CU. It has a value of 59.78. And it shall go into the group default. And then I enter the second standard. Add standard. The name is nickel silver, so I enter NS. The standard value is 4.28. And the group is default as well. I start the adjustment under the following path: Main menu, Adjustment, Start. Select the first standard. In this case, it's copper. Put the probe on the standard and select F2. Lift the probe. In case another measurement must be performed, press F2 again. Here you can see the number of measurements. It is recommended to perform 3 measurements. So we measure again. Now we go to the next standard, in this case nickel silver. Put the probe on the standard and start. And the second measurement. Lift the probe and put it on the standard for the third measurement. Now the adjustment is successful, finished. Now I measure again on the copper standard. And the measurement is very good. Thank you for watching the video.